Okay, time to take a look at the Alosnic portable jump starter. I like the case on it. Okay, this is a very nice way to organize everything. We got the jump starter on one side, and we got all the cables on the other side. Much better than the usual, just like a box that they all come in. And this is kind of a unique feature. It actually comes with a strap, so you can just kind of carry the thing around too. If you got your hands full, you can just throw this thing right onto your wrist. So the cool thing about this is that this is a jump starter as well as a compressor. So if you need to air up your tires, you can use it for that. So we got a couple of preset settings. We got just plus and minus. We got unit mode, power start, and the lamp. Okay, so we do got our light. So if we need to read the numbers on the side of the tire, we can do that. We also got kind of a strobe and an SOS. So right now we're in bar. If you want to change that, just hit unit mode. We got KPA, kilograms per square centimeter. Normally I run on PSI. I want this to be set at 30 PSI, so I'm just going to hit minus. It's interesting. So it skips over 30. That's fine. We'll just go with 30.5. So what that means is that this is going to keep on running until it gets to 30.5 psi, and then it's going to stop automatically, so I don't have to worry about overpressurizing my tire. And then we can also see we got 75% of our battery left. So that's cool. So on the top we got a port for our air supply. We've got our port for our battery terminals, and then these ports are labeled on the top, so we can see DC out, USB-C in. So if you want to charge this, we would use this USB-C port right here. And we've got two USB-A ports, so if we need to charge something on the go, we can do that. And then on this side, we got our car battery clamps, so this will just plug right in to that port. They are labeled plus and minus. They're also color coded, so you can't really mess that up. So this is going to go onto your ground. This will go onto your positive terminal, and they do have a nice spring, so they'll make a good contact. And we even got a light here on the base, so we know if we got power going to it. And it's also going to tell us if we have it connected correctly. And that's going to be great, because if you're giving this to somebody they don't really know what they're doing and they connect these things wrong, you don't have to worry about it damaging the vehicle or the jump starter. It actually comes with a charging cable, so we got USB-A to USB-C, so we can use that to charge this or to charge our phone. We got some adapters for a compressor, so if we need to inflate some inflatables or like a basketball or anything like that, we can use this for that. And we got a nice braided hose, so that will thread right in. And then on the other side we do have a locking coupler. Okay, we're at 30.5. Cool. And it does automatically stop on its own. So that thing is pretty darn awesome.